In this video, I'm going to show you how you can properly uninstall Advanced Uninstaller Pro on your Windows computer or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you no longer need this program, the right way to uninstall it is to go ahead and look for Control Panel on your Windows computer. However, if you can't see Control Panel program, then head to Start menu and then click on it. And then under the search bar, go ahead and search for Control Panel. Once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. And under Control Panel, go ahead and look for this option called Programs and Features. Now this will go ahead and list all the programs that you have installed on your Windows computer. For this, go ahead and search for your app. And as you can see, my Advanced Uninstaller Pro app is here. To remove it, go ahead and right click on it and then choose Uninstall. If you click on Uninstall, you will get a confirmation window where you have to click on Yes, and then another pop-up will appear asking you to confirm if indeed you want to remove Advanced Uninstaller Pro and all its components. Go ahead and click on Yes, and this will begin the uninstallation process. So this will run and remove the program, and to complete it, just go ahead and click on OK, because you're told Advanced Uninstaller Pro was successfully removed from your computer. Now you can see the shortcut that was on our computer is no longer available because the program and its files have been completely removed. So that's how you can uninstall Advanced Uninstaller Pro on your Windows computer or laptop. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.